Hi guys, I'm back again with another trading video. Just a quick one this. I've had a few members asking me about this CCI that we use when we're at an extreme high or low in trading. So let's just have a look at this. So I've got this pound USD 4 hour on, so I'll just change this to the 1 hour. And we'll have a look at how we use it. We can use it for divergence, and we can use it for confirmation of our trade when we reach a level, a relevant level. So I'm just going back here. Now I've changed the default setting for this CCI is 14, but I've changed it to 5. Okay, so you'd have to do your own experiments and find out what suits you best. So I'll just put it back to 14. We'll have a look. So that's 14. So let me just make it a bit bigger so that we can see it. Right, so how do we use it then? Just put it back to 5 first, and I'll show you. I just prefer 5 because it's a quicker response. Right. So if we're looking to trade it, let's say we're looking to trade this level here, we'd want to be getting in. We'd wait for the price action, obviously, with the candles, and then we want to. This CCI is made up of 3 sort of relevant levels. It's -100, 0 in the middle, and 100. So we'd be getting in at the break of this. You see how it spiked up there? I'll put a line on, just in case it's not showing on the video. Because it's a very faint line, this. So we're trading this level here out to the downside. We'd put a line there, and as you can see, it broke the 100 level. Then we'd wait for price action on the candle, and then as soon as it breaks below, we could enter there. So a break below the 100 would indicate a short entry, and a break above the -100 would indicate a long entry. Now then, we've also got on this CCI is a 0 in the middle. Sometimes price does bounce off that 0 level as well, as you can see there, look. Okay, although we want really to a level there. So that's basically how we use this CCI in our trading. So you can see there, look, it went up, reached this level here. Okay, so that, if you look back, that's the level. And it gives us confirmation now when it breaks below. Okay, see there? I'll put a line on there. Well, breaks below there, so we're in there. Okay, and that's basically it really. We only use this CCI when we're at a level where we want to trade. All the rest of the time we ignore it or take it off. That's why most of the time when I'm doing videos you never see this on my chart, because it's only on my chart really for when I'm ready to take the trade. And also we can use it for divergence as well, and that's just by measuring the levels on here and matching it to price action. Divergence is when price is going up and the indicator is going down at the same points. So that's all I wanted to show you today. The CCI, we have the 0 in the middle, the 100 level at the top, and the -100 at the bottom. So when we're at the top we want to be breaking below the 100. Okay, and when we're at the bottom we want to be breaking above -100, just for confirmation of our trade, that's all. The rest of the time I do this. I remove it because it gets in the way. So it's only when we're at a level where we want to trade, whether it be an extreme high or just a normal level in between. Okay, ranging market and trending market. Okay, so until next time, bye bye.